The Microsoft Excel Data Analysis ToolPak significantly expands the built-in statistical capabilities of Microsoft Excel. Through this example, a cleaned version of fueleconomy.gov data will be used to perform descriptive statistics. After enabling the Data Analysis ToolPak, the Data ribbon will now contain an Analyze section showing the Data Analysis and Solver buttons. Clicking the Data Analysis button, a new window will appear allowing selection of the desired analysis tool, in this case, Descriptive Statistics. Select Descriptive Statistics and click OK. Within the new Descriptive Statistics window, an input range is now needed. For an example of showing descriptive statistics, the necessity to understand the underlying data types for validity of descriptive statistics will be ignored. Excel only looks to make sure data is numerical and cannot determine continuous numeric data from other data types. For this example, the first several columns of data will be selected because they all contain numerical information. Because the first row contains labels, the box that says Labels in First Row will now be checked. Outputting to a new worksheet is generally the preferred option, so a worksheet title is entered into that box. Summary statistics are desired, so that should be checked. The confidence level for mean, case largest, and case smallest information is not needed. After double checking the accuracy of all information, click OK, wait a few moments for Excel to calculate the results, and the system will move to the new worksheet. For each column provided in inputs, two columns now exist in the summary data to show the mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, hash total, and count. Through this example, the power of the Analysis ToolPak to quickly provide descriptive statistics is shown. Always remember that the ability to calculate measures of central tendency and dispersion does not mean they have statistical validity, so it is always important to first understand the data to be analyzed.